Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Stihl Farms YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Been pretty busy. We were on vacation in Wisconsin. But this morning I finished the cap on the retaining wall. Today's big project is when we were on vacation, a tree must have fell down across the road. Luckily our neighbors did trim it up so it's passable, but now I'm going to head down there and clean it up a little more off the driveway so it looks good and it's not impeding the drainage ditch that's there. Well, we got the John Deere 4052 and the Stihl 361. Hope you guys enjoy, and I should be posting some more videos coming up here. We got an auction that we're going to go to and whatnot, but for today, I hope you enjoy. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. We're at 722 or something, so we're almost there to 1,000. Well, let's get started. Project here is this tree's falling down. It's just right over the driveway here, so we're gonna clean it up. Got the pond over there. Let's get to work.